Once again, we're here with my favorite co-pilot, Steven. How you doing, Steven?
Good.
Good? So where are we flying to today? Do you remember? No? Ocean City, New Jersey. Not that far, just a short little hop, VFR. We're flying along the coastline, just kind of hang out. We're in 4757 Tango, just started her up, and it took forever on the pre-flight as usual.
Yes.
What? You imitating me? Trying to talk like me? Anyway, so we're just waiting for the engine to warm up, and gonna finish up my my checklists here, which are always very important, especially after you haven't flown in a while, like I haven't. It's been a little while. There's our recent addition of Matthew, and you know, getting the house ready and everything else. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know. So today will be a nice, easy day. The only thing today that we really have to be careful of outside of the normal risks associated with flight is the fact that we're going to have a lot of VFR traffic in the lower altitudes, and that's where we're going to be. So we need to keep our eyes peeled, or I got to keep my eyes peeled, and that's basically it. I'm going to try to pick up flight following where available, or where I can, and we'll go from there. All right, so that's enough of the pre-flight jitters here, and let's... No jitters. Anyway, all right, talk to you later. Morristown Tower, Skylane 4757 Tango is ready on runway 5 for departure to the south, VFR.
Skylane 4757 Tango, Morristown Tower, altimeter 3015, winds 120 at 3, runway 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 557 Tango. Finals clear, lights, camera. Alright, 8 knots in the climb. Runway's clear, finals clear. Line her up and check. Up to 5, we're showing 4, now we're 5. Engine instrument's good, RPM's good, manifold good. Rotate. Positive rate, gear's coming up.
Tower, altimeter 3015, enter left downwind for runway 5.
3015, you want us on the left downwind or left base entry for 5 Echo Fox?
Go 5 Echo Fox, left.
The one way.
There is none.
Daddy.
Yeah.
We're here now.
No, not yet. We're coming down Atlantic City fast. Can't really zoom through the prop. Fishing boat.
Skylane 57 Tango, I'm sorry, ident one more time for me, please.
Ident 57 Tango. Currently about 26.4 north of you.
57 Tango, ident is observed over Long Beach Island.
Good, buddy. Turn right.
Race 936, 8000, Juliet. Springs 936.
There you go. Turn left.
301.
Other way.
Maintain 3000, advise the airport in sight.
There you go. Now straighten it out.
We have the field.
There you go. Good job. Not bad. Now we're gonna go. You can't really.
Charlie Echo Atlantic City approach. Good afternoon. Remain outside.
You can't see in front of us.
Change my frequency 124.6.
But we're going towards Atlantic City right now. We don't want to go towards their buildings. They won't like that.
Springs 936 approach. Good afternoon. Change my frequency 124.6. Remain outside the class, Charlie.
Alright, gears down, gears green, lights are on, mixture is rich. Valve flaps are closed as they're supposed to be. We're landing over here, Steven.
To the northwest, inbound Ocean City lane.
Ocean City traffic, Skylane's final 06, Ocean City. Alright, gears down, gears green, prop set fully forward, mixture's rich. Speed is a little high, slow it down. Another bird. Good job, Mikey. Ocean City Unicom, anyone in the office? Ocean City Unicom?
Yes, Skylane, you can either take a right or left turn and park at your convenience, yes.
Okay, I'll park on the right hand side.
Either near that Cirrus to your left would be fine. Make it easy for yourself. Thank you.
No problem, I'll park it next to the Cirrus.
This way you'll get in and out quick.
04, how the winds?
Thank you. I know we missed the restaurant that's already closed, correct?
Yes, it is closed. I heard them running the sweeper, so it is closed.
Okay, how long a walk for a restaurant?
Let me see. Oh boy, it's going to be a long walk. I think you'd have to go around. Most of the places are closed up now. 9th Street probably, and we're at 26. When you come in, I can show you something, okay?
That'll work, thank you. Alright, we're on the ground over at Ocean City after eating a late lunch, early dinner.
Cherokee on the south side of the field has the downwind 6 traffic at Miller.
Ocean City traffic, Cessna, Skylane's departing runway 6, Ocean City. Ocean City traffic, Cessna, Skylane's departing runway 6, Ocean City. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hands clear of the yoke at all times. Final's clear, runway's clear. Throttle's set, engine instruments on the green, airspeed's allowed. Positive rate, gears coming up, left's coming up.
Ocean City traffic, Skyhawk, taking the active, runway 6.
And Ocean City traffic, Skyline's going to be departing off the base leg here, going to be going up the coast.
Have a good day, sir.
Atlantic City approach, Skyline 4757 Tango.
Skyline 57 Tango, length squawk 0125 and ident.
0125 and ident 57 Tango.
November 57 Tango, 10 south of Atlantic City at 1000. What are your intentions, sir?
We'd like VFR flight following, went on our way up to Morristown Mike uniform. That is going to be via Belmar. We're going to just follow the coast all the way up.
And what's your requested altitude?
1000 works for now.
Okay, that's approved. Altimeter 3014.
3014, 57 Tango.
Ultimate Jet 407, if you stay on that course, there'll be no factor before you contact the tower. So long.
Good night.
Cherokee 5 Charlie Bravo, Atlantic City, squawk 0127 and ident.
0127, 5 Charlie Bravo.
And what are your intentions today, sir?
I have a flight plan followed to Whisper, Hamilton, trying to get in on ground control from clearance. No joy there. I'd like to pick it up in the air.
Okay, you're confusing me here. Your IFR at where?
Hamilton, November 81.
You're departing November 81 VFR. So for now, let's
Where's
just
that
make
bump
the
again?
code 0127 and maintain VFR.
0127, maintain VFR, 5 Charlie Bravo.
Coast Guard 101, climb maintain 7000, ident.
I maintain 7,000, ident 101 through 2.
Thank you, sir. Coast Guard 101, radar contact 6 southwest of Seattle, turn left, the heading of 270, vectors for Waterloo.
Left 270 to Waterloo, Coast Guard 10.
And Atlantic City altimeter is 3014.
3014, thanks.
T-Mod 4507, check on?
We're just waiting 2 out of 10 for 8,000, yeah, 4507.
T-Mod 4507, good afternoon, Atlantic City. Descend and maintain 4,000. Atlantic City altimeter is 3014.
Okay, descend, maintain 4,000, beyond 4507. Atlantic City approach, Spirit 312 is 10,000, 700 for 8,000, field in sight.
Songbird, correction, not Songbird. Spirit 312, is that you calling?
Affirmative, 10,000, 500 for 8,000, field in sight.
T-Mod 4507, contact Philadelphia approach 133.87. So long.
Okay, 13387, beyond 4507, good day.
Good day, sir.
Skylane 57 Tango, contact McGuire approach on 124.15.
Over to McGuire, 124.15, 57 Tango. Thank you for your service.
Continental 1667, 1000 with you.
Continental 1660 McGuire approach, altimeter is 3011.
3011, thank you all, 1660.
As they should be. Lights are
Number
all
57
on.
Tango, wind 290 at 4, runway 5, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 4. Sorry, runway 5, 57 Tango.
Matter of fact, we're landing assured. We'll call you off northwest bound.
Roger.
Alright, gears down, gears green. Prop set fully forward. Mixtures rich. Give me 10 flaps. Fully forward. Lower down. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been cleared for landing here. Been a pleasure flying with you. Upset 20. On glide path, coming up on speed. Lights are on, gears down. We are good to go. A little high. 30 drops. There you go, that'll do it. Gears down, visual, down. A little bit more nose up. That would have been a little better. Not bad though. Flaps coming out. Drive heat off. Mixer ridge. Cow flaps. Open. Landing off. Taxi on. In it out. Over to ground.